Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make homemade yogurt and tell you about the benefits of making your own yogurt. I can share with you that I've got a degree in dairy and meat products, so a lot of this I learned in university in Plovdiv, where I spent 5 years of my life. What you will need: 2 liters of whole milk. Whole and 2% are the best, but skim is also usable. 1 teaspoon of natural yogurt. A saucepan with a lid. A whisk. A spatula. A small measuring cup or a bowl. Heat your milk. Gently stir it, to avoid scorching and boiling over. Cool your milk. Let the milk cool down until it's just warm to the touch. If short on time, can be sped up by using a water bath. Keep stirring your milk to prevent skin from forming. Thin out the yogurt. Pour about a cup of your warm milk into the bowl. Add in the yogurt and with a spoon stir it until you achieve a smooth texture. Whisk the thinned yogurt into the rest of your milk. Pour your yogurt into the milk while continually stirring the substance with a wooden or stainless steel cooking spoon. At this point it's advisable to divide it into separate glass jars or storage containers, since transferring it after the process is completed can be challenging. I like using glass jars as an eco-friendly alternative to throwaway plastic containers. Let the bacteria do its thing. For this step, maintaining a constant room temperature is crucial. To help with the process, you can wrap your jars in a blanket to keep them warm. Wait for the yogurt to set in. Give the milk enough time to turn into yogurt. I usually prefer letting it ferment for 3 to 4 hours overnight. Cooling down. Once your yogurt reaches the desired texture, put the jars in the fridge. Homemade yogurt can last for about 2 weeks when refrigerated. For your next batch. The best part of making your own yogurt is that you can use each batch to culture the next one. To do this, just set about half a cup aside for next time. If, in time, some batches down the line show changes in the flavor or texture, you might want to get a new store-bought culture and start over. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any ideas and experience to share, don't hesitate to drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.